Got that fresh fade from Zay. And what this I got right here, this that 360 Jeezy wave brush, work for your face. Feel hella good, that's what I'm doing this. This is my quality right here. From the packaging, to the wood, to the boar hair. I think it's boar hair, I don't know what type of hair it is, but it feel hella good. You killed it with this, with it. And I got the authentic real. You got the certification of authenticity. It's hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. The will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go, you know what I mean? So hold it down for your vision, your dreams, man.
All right, you guys, so you know how I think last year I did the Dollar Tree challenge. We are at the Dollar Tree right now. I'm gonna wash my hair with this. I'm gonna be conditioning my hair with the VO5. Hopefully they do good. I feel like it damaged like my... This year, I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna do something totally different. It's not even gonna be the same. We're going to the 99-cent store this time, all right?
What are you doing?
I get it. I get it.
Boy, if you don't
listen.
Listen.
Relax. Relax. Okay? 99 cents is a big difference from $1, bro.
How, Sway?
Come on, let's be real. 99 cents at least feel better. Let's be real. It feels a little better. You getting more, you know what I'm saying?
You ain't got the answers, man.
You're getting more for your money. So yeah, basically we're gonna go to the 99-cent store, see what they have for waves. We're gonna do the challenge, basically buy up every single thing that has to do with a comb, a do-rag, some grease, some soap, some shampoo, some conditioner, all of that. Try to see if we can get our waves right at the 99-cent store. All right, let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
Hey, Jarrell.
Don't do this.
I got questions.
Don't do this.
What we doing it?
What we doing? Talk to me.
What products do you use? Where do you go get your products? For your hair?
I don't use products.
You don't use products in your hair?
Nah.
So you just dry bone. You just don't put nothing in your hair.
Shampoo and condition it.
You said conditioning?
Shampoo and conditioner.
Okay, where you get your shampoo and conditioner at?
I use Mane and Tail. Mane and Tail from CVS, Walmart, you know. It's all with the horses on it.
Would you ever go to the dollar store to get some products?
Not dollar store. I go to 99-cent store.
You'll go
though.
to... Alright, we outside the dollar store right now.
What?
I mean, the 99-cent store. We're outside the 99-cent store, alright? It's a difference from $1, okay, to 99 cents.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's go. We got a lot to choose from right here. We ain't got to go with the VO5. We got
Vibrance Organic.
Vibrance Organic. I don't know. Oh, they got Dove. They got Dove. What? Like Herbal us. Oh yeah, we getting this. Herbal essence. Come on now. Hold on, we gonna get the herbal essence. Coconut. I don't know about coconut though. No, I ain't. Coconut don't do well with my hair. We still got the herbal essence. Vitamin B. Okay. Alright, we got the shampoo. Let's try to see if they have some grease or something.
This is the option. So the moisturizing coconut cream. You got your Dove Men's Care hydration.
Is that
Face, hand, and body. I'm not sure what that is.
hand and body. They don't say nothing about hair. Boom. Pomade. Come on now. Old Spice. Old Spice. Yes. Oh God. Oh God. Let me see. What's this? Aloe vera. I mean, what is this? L'Oreal.
L'Oreal is actually really good.
Okay, Ribera. Okay, I'm gonna put that back.
They got deep conditioner though, babe, right here.
Deep conditioner.
Probably need 2 of those.
Yeah, let's get
After that dollar shampoo. Right here. Hey, come on now. Hey, come on now. They got the
oil treatment. Come on now. What you mean? Might as well
$4 at the beauty supply.
Look at the brushes right now.
This is the brush section right here. That's the best you got. You better you got a curl brush.
Alright you guys, they don't have any type of brushes. I'm not gonna use this, okay? This is just ridiculous. I'm not using this. I'm not using any of these things that they have here. We're probably gonna have to go to a different. We're just gonna go back to the Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm gonna buy this, but I'm gonna go back to the Dollar Tree to see if they have like do-rags and brushes. Let's go. Alright you guys, we are here at the dollar store and they do have brushes. They have, we're gonna get this, the shampoo brush. We're gonna get all of their brushes, don't matter what it is. We're gonna get both of these. This one's probably too small, but we're gonna get this one. We got a do-rag, a bonnet cap. I don't know whether this bonnet cap is gonna be a do-rag. I don't know what this is, but at this point we gotta get it. It's not looking good. Let me see. This one dang near almost open. Now this a do-rag. This a do-rag. Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's a do-rag. It's a do-rag. It'll do. It'll do. It's a do-rag. Alright, let's get this. Let's see what it do.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so it's a lot of stuff that I've got. Let me show you real quick. I got this honey and vitamin B herbal essence conditioner. I got the argan oil shampoo. Basically, I got this brush from the Dollar Tree. I got this brush from the Dollar Tree. Got these 2 deep conditioners because you never know. Got a do-rag, a mirror, which I'm gonna use all of this. I got pomade. I got hot oil treatments. Then I got this shampoo. Let's just get into it. Alright you guys, so I've been working all day, haven't really checked my waves or nothing like that. Let's grab the mirror, take off this little sticker. Let's use the mirror, see what my waves is looking like.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so you see I need a wash, okay? Well, it may not look like I need a wash, but I'm in need of a wash. It's about that time. I'm gonna use the Herbal Essence Argan Oil Shampoo, and I'm gonna use this shampoo brush. It says, trust me to relax, shampoo, and clean shampoo brush. We'll see. Let go. I'm gonna put a generous amount, you know what I mean? I don't need to save none of this. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Might as well just put it all in. I want as much lather as possible, so. Giving me good lather though, especially on the first wash. This is doing me justice right now. I'm gonna wash this out and basically shampoo all over again. All right, let's put some more in. So this detangler brush or the shower brush is doing my hair justice as far as creating the lather, but I want to basically lay my hair down a little bit, so I'm gonna use the brush. But let me get somewhere so I could get a better session in. So I basically got my hair pretty much the way I want it, and I'm just gonna lay it down and throw the do-rag on and rinse out. Basically doing the washing style. So I'm gonna rag up and use this, basically this do-rag that I got from the dollar store as well. Let's just check this out. Oh my goodness. Just the feel of this, you know what I mean? Just the, what is this? What is this? Oh my God, oh my God, what is this? Oh my goodness, hey, I guess it'll do though. Let me see, what? What is this? Oh snap, what is this? I still can make it work though. Can it wrap around my head? Dang, barely. Oh snap, what is this? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just tie it in a knot. What is this? Where the string? Where the string to pull it down? Where the, I got all this loose area in the front. Where the string to bring it down at? Where do I bring it down? Oh Lord. Let me just, I guess we could just flatten it. If we just flatten it, it'll work. I don't know. I guess that's working. We just gonna have to rinse and see. Wait. All right, I know it looks weird. I know this do-rag look weird. I didn't even really show you guys this do-rag. Hold on, let me show you this do-rag. This do-rag is weird than a mug. It ain't even really a do-rag. It's like some type of wrap. I don't know what it is, but let me show you how to put it on, all right? So before you put it on all the way, you gotta make sure everything is laid, man. Make sure everything is laid to your head, no airs, and then tie it up. All right, I don't know how well this is gonna work, but let's rinse it out. All right, so basically we're not dry, but we're still damped. So what I'm gonna do is take out this knot in the back. And basically I'm gonna hurry up and put some of this conditioner, deep conditioner in my hair. Hopefully this can do something other than hopefully this can do something better than the Herbal Essence did. So now I got the deep conditioner in. I'm gonna do the same thing. Rag up. Probably gonna leave this in for about 5 minutes. The thing about this do-rag is that it's not on tight at all. It's not like you could pull it down. it's gonna be a struggle, man. If you gotta use the dollar store products, man, it's gonna be a struggle. But I'm pretty sure there's dollar stores in your area that probably have real do-rags. Mine just didn't. Let's rinse it out. All right, listen, I washed it out, okay? But I can't, being that it's kind of loose up here, I just think that going to bed with this ain't even a do-rag, you know what I mean? It's not even a do-rag. It's like, what is this? This is a wrap, okay? This is a wrap cap, a bonnet. You know what, we're just gonna go to bed, wait till it dries. I'll show you guys in the morning. How about that? Let's go, I'll be back. Listen, I had to adjust this the whole night. It was nothing sweet about wearing this do-rag. All right, I'm about to head to work. I'll show you the results at the job. Let's do it.
Yeah, I figured.
Justin, come on. You knew I was coming to you.
I don't use nothing but shampoo and conditioner.
What shampoo?
From Target.
You a Target man.
I'm a Target man.
Okay. My hair seems pretty dry, but it's not too bad from, you know, what I'm used to, being that I condition my hair, but Arlen,
Yeah.
what do you use?
My own urine.
If I condition it with stuff that I use, it'll be a lot silkier than this. But this is about bet when you're dealing with the 99-cent store. Memo.
I just straight water, bro. I don't use nothing. I don't use nothing.
No shampoo, no conditioner, straight water.
Straight water.
Water.
H2O.
It's not too bad. You know what I mean? So let's just be real. You guys want to see me put this Old Spice in my hair. This Old Spice pomade. What does this do? You may be asking. Well, I don't know, okay? I've never used this, okay? But we gonna find out today. Today, sir. Let go. Smell good, I'm not gonna lie, it smell good. Okay, it's making my hair white. Why is it not? Okay. This is not pomade. This is pomade, but this is not for our texture. I could tell. What have I done? What have I done? What did I do? What did I ever do to deserve? I mean, to be honest with you, it's not that bad. Actually, it's not that. It's actually not that bad if you're confined to the 99-cent store. I'm washing this out, man. Get that. No. I'm washing this out. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing this, okay? I'm done with these challenges, okay? I'm done. The heck y'all got me putting Old Spice in my hair for? It's ridiculous. Have you ever gone to the 99-cent store to pick up some shampoo or conditioner?
No, not at all.
Why not?
Because you got Amazon where you can get like free 2-day delivery, and you can click the link in my bio to order it, and then I get a cut from it too. So click the link in the bio.